to my channel. If you're joining for the first time, hi, my name is Martha and this is Martha's Empire. So in today's video, we're going to be transforming from these gorgeous curls to a gorgeous high ponytail. Okay, love. This video, you're going to need a water bottle. The reason why I spray my hair first is because it's going to be easier to kind of like do partings. Oh my god, the shedding. It's going to be easier to part my hair. So a moisturizing cream, I'm using this one. It smells so good. I'm gonna go in next with the oil choice. So this is my DIY oil. I think you can tell, like, slowly the knots are just like breaking. Okay, you're gonna need something to part your hair with, and I'm just gonna start. So I'm just going to part this into 3 sections. Should we do 3 or should we do 4? So we are going to start with this part. And as you can see, I sectioned my hair into a quarter, and then now I sectioned this into like 2s. So I'm gonna start working with this. I also sectioned this other half in 3. I'm trying to be detailed here, like trying to give all the deets, right? So for this part, I'm going to like section them into 2. So I'm just gonna go like that. Rubber bands. I'm just gonna go over with gel, and purpose of gel is that it makes your hair look super neat. So yes to that. And I'm just going to oil these bands because they're just so dry. So like once we do this, you can see that it's very loose. I don't know if you can see. I'm just going to like pull like there. You see that? That's a hack right there. That's a hack right there.
So why do you think I don't know when you're lying? Know when you're trying to hide how you feel from me. You hate it when I stay. You say you can't resist. So why do you keep your secrets alive? You need to let them die. Confess all the sins to me. My eyes are like the lie machine.
Yeah, and the reason why I'm like twisting, because I think you can see the shrinkage and the difference. So it was gonna look more neat when I twist it. And for my sisters who can't twist, you can maybe try and just do this I'm sure you'll be able to achieve the same thing we're going for. It's just more of like this, and then when we pull it like this, it doesn't look that neat compared to like this. Alright, so we are done with the first part. Yep. And I think you can see that you can combine them in so many different ways. I just did the crisscross, so I have two. I have 6, and then I was kind of like making them into 3. I think you can see here. So the last part is mainly the ponytail. So I didn't slick my ponytail just yet because I want these to be part of it. So I'm just gonna start like.
God is everywhere, even in the kiss. So why do you think I don't know when you're lying? Know when you're trying to hide how you feel from me. You hate it when I stare. You say you can't resist. So why do you keep your secrets alive? You need to let them die. Confess all your sins to me. My eyes are like a lie machine. I know you're trying to hide from me. I don't know why you lie to me. I wish you would confide in me. I tried. My eyes are like a lie machine. I know you're trying to hide from me. I don't know why you lie to me.
The gag with the gel is that it has to dry. So if you have a hooded dryer, you can sit under a hooded dryer. And if you don't, you can just tie a scarf and wait for it to dry. So I'm just gonna do that.
A few moments later.
Okay, so this is how we're looking. You could use braiding hair, but I have this ponytail. It's a synthetic one, but it does the job. I'm just going to moisturize it with some oil. I'm feeling a little extra. I think we could do better. You know, we could do better. So I'm just gonna go in with these like accessories. So that's it for this video, you guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure you leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this hair. Like, I think it's actually cute. And my ponytail, like, it's super long. Yeah, but we're here. Hot girl summer loading. But yeah, and what do you think about this makeup look as well? So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a comment down below and subscribe to this channel. That's it for me. See you in my next one. Bye.